Here at Atkins Dental Clinic, we do offer the clear tray aligner systems, most commonly known as Invisalign. I do not offer metal bracket braces. That's for numerous reasons. Namely, I'm just not a fan of them. And the level of orthodontic treatment that I provide, the Invisalign is more than capable of taking care of. It's easier on the patient's teeth where it's easier to keep clean. There is also the aspect where you have the metal brackets and wires that can cut soft tissue, be uncomfortable, more so just from the nature of how it's put together versus the discomfort of your teeth having to be moved. So if there is a highly complicated case that really should be treated by a specialist anyways, that is what metal brackets and braces are used for, in my opinion, at this time of technological advancement and educational prowess of our systems. So if you are what we call run-of-the-mill standard, you need some tidying up in your alignment or rotational position of your teeth, clear aligner is really what you were made and designed for. If there's some true functional or developmental issues in your teeth, well, I pass the baton to the people that will be able to most proficiently care for you. And they may or may not put you in metal brackets, but if my team and I deem that you will not get the best outcome with my system, I will make sure you're sent to the people who will.